Hello my people, how una dey? Today we wan solve one question wey dey for board. Now look am, the way they look na so dey look una. Mo go see I go use run am. They talk say make we factorize this question. On how they say make we factorize this question, I don't notice say factorization dey hard student well. And sincerely I dey reason now for my mind, wetin dey make this thing dey hard them. Now, I want una understand say e get some kind secret wey dey about this factorization wey make am dey hard student. And even nobody student o, even adults wey don mature well dey hard them. Make we see small secret wey dey this thing. Make una follow me go board. Now they say make we solve this question, make we factorize am. X squared plus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. Firstly, when you see question say in carry square here and na 3 numbers dey like this, e mean say you fit factorize. But if na 3 square like that, say na cube dey up, you no fit factorize am. But on how e be say na square, you fit factorize am. And also take note, on how e be say we get 0 for here like this, e mean say your answer na 2 answer you go last get. You understand ba? Now make we see how we wan use factorize am. Now firstly, see the idea una go just use to bring this guy here. Bring am like this. This thing wey I do here no be just ordinary drawing. So wetin I mean by this, we say 14 na positive sign times x square. E mean say e go give us wetin? 14x square. Now you see now ba, we don multiply am, see to get here. Now the essence of this one now be say we need this guy here, this guy wey you see here. We need am to help us get something. That's why we multiply am there. Now this 14x square and this 9x, now we go use run am. We need two numbers. When you factorize, you need two numbers. Those two numbers now you go use work out this thing out. And those two numbers now, e go come from your head. No be say na from anywhere, na from your head. You go calculate am. Now those two numbers be say, if you multiply them, you go get 14. I get him now 14x square. I get him now. Now, if you come maybe add them or subtract them, you go get this 9x. If you think and well, more look at these two numbers. More assume you're seeing our rough book with this. Look at 7. 7x times 2. 2x. 7x times 2x. Me and I know say if you times 7x times 2x, because of this x way there, it will generate what you call x square. 7 times 2 will give us 14. X times 7 will give us what? X square. You can see I'm very easy. Now these two numbers, now we can see how we get this guy here. Now the same number where you get now, can say 7x plus 3x. If you add them together, I get me now. We'll get with it 9x. Now don't say now the same number now we use. We just add them together. On how we add this one, we get this 9. On how we add this one, we get this 14. The same number, I'm gonna see and check them. The same number. 7 and 2, 7 and 9 and 7 and 2, sorry. If you add them together, we get 9. Now, on how it don't be like this now. This one we get times, we no be able to use. No be able to use. We just use them, get this one down. Now see now remember I say this one we will use for up here. Now for this 14. Now multiply, we multiply. This one we'll get for down here. Let's do. Now add to add. We just get this 9 with on top. So it's either you add or you subtract. But make sure say not the same number. Now don't understand that. So this one I will not go use this one. Now this one I will go use. That means now these two numbers now we use factorize. And this are the feed me well. Now we don't finish. We just carry these two numbers. Now just clean out. That's now 7x and 2x plus 2x now we get. Now don't forget. Now we don't get those two numbers. Now you can't come here, can't say x square. Now that's 7x plus 2. Now we can replace this 9 with it here. We can say plus 7x plus 2x. Now see if we add them, now 9x will give us. Then that last number dey here now. Now understand, you just say this one now 9 will bring come down here. Now see this one here, we don't even replace this one. Now get back. Then this last one here, we dey here now plus 50 plus 14 equal to what? 0. Now you feel me back? Now we can factorize. How we factorize it now? You know, so now 2x now there. Carry one come outside. Carry one come outside. Carry one go inside. Such a way that if you times some, you give you back this thing with here. This x cancel x will give us what will remain. Now this 7 will remain. We can say plus 7. Now get her now. For factorization, anything you get for inside the first bracket must be the same thing you get for inside the second bracket. Now, when I know say we don't come up for this stage now. Now here we dey enter. We to get our 2x. So that we'll get the same thing inside here. If you separate them like this, now I know say na plus, like we say 2 open bracket what x. Such a way that if you times some, it will give you back this 2x. When I get now. So now this one will just open up this last one before here now. Now you know say na plus times plus now will give you the same thing as plus. Observe say they work and maybe balance with this bracket with here. 2 now we can go into this 14. We got many times 7 times. Now they see about. Now wait till we get inside this place. Now the same thing will get inside this place. You know how it pass like that too. You know how. Now just to calm down, run up. Now on how it be like this now. You go pick the one you did for inside bracket. Most there be 2. Since there be 2, you pick one come out equal to this 0. You can become x plus 7 equal to 0. Or wait. The second one now, the one was way there outside. This one here and this one there. Can become x plus 2 equal to what? 0. The first one now will come collect like 10. X equal to what? If this 7 crossover, it will become what? Minus what? 7. Now you see or wait. Or this one can become s crossover. If these two crossover the equal to sign, it can become equal to what? Minus 2. Like this. You don't factorize them now. You know hard. Like just to follow the thing stage by stage, step by step. See, say we don't run and finish. The first answer now waiting minus 7. The second answer now waiting minus 2. Now the two answer what they talk about be that. When I say no hard. If you see say the thing confuse you again, feel free, go back again, play the video, slow and down. You understand? Pause and check again. Now so you must know hard. Now if we look at like say hard. So if you fancy what you do so for I do for the but when you like you sweet, you don't forget to help me relate with your friends on the matter. When they come follow enjoy and too. I still remember humble self is T. When I forget to like I the one I like and then when I share them, people they see them. I'll soon have for my next video. I see my Mr. T. Thank you. I love you.